In this tutorial, we will make a jar, fill it up with lollipops and a bucket on the top of the lid. We will start to drag a reference image to the main viewport. Center it and reduce opacity, so we have a better visualization on the meshes we are about to work on. Let's add a sphere, reduce it, and move outside the image. Enter Edit mode and pull the lower edge loop a bit down. We will delete faces at the bottom for further connection. Now we add a cylinder, this time with 16 sides, which is half of the 32 on the edge above. Align with the sphere. And this will be the lollipop wrapping lower part. I will select the edge loops together and pull Bridge Edge Loops from Edge menu. Let us select several edges and dissolve them. The purpose is to keep a regular square mesh. Now we will smooth this part and stretch it. We will extrude the bottom edges and try to fit the same reference size. It looks cool, and we will loop and cut with Shift R and rotate the middle mouse button to add several cuts to have the same height as the polygons above. Let us add another cylinder to create the lower stick. This time we'll bring down just to have 8 faces. And proceed the same technique we did earlier. Select and delete the top face. In the bottom, let us extrude and scale inwards. And extrude again to pull them up. This part will be hidden in most cases, but not for all lollipops. Bridge again the upper ones. We'll select the bottom and bring it down, so it matches the same as the reference. Looks fine now. Let us shorten the inside stick. Now, hit P to separate the stick into a new object, so it won't interfere with the normal baking process of the cover wrapping. And I think we're done.